I guess you might have heard massage oil before or massage butter. Today, I'm showing you how I made this massage balm. A massage balm is just a solid way of making massage oil. That is, instead of having just your oil, you can make it into a solid form. That way, you don't have the issue of the oil running through the skin, which is why massage balm is fantastic. So getting to making the massage balm, apart from the oil or your butter or any lipid or emollients that you might have in your products in the formula, you need what to make it solid, which is a wax. There are different waxes. There is beeswax, candelilla wax, and so on. But the thing is, they have different texture. So what you can do is to mix the different of these waxes together in order to give you the best texture ever. Then when you decide to go for things like beeswax, there are some that are yellowish in color, that are white. So this can actually affect like the color you will get when you finish formulating your products, like maybe deep yellowish color or just the color that this one has, because I used white beeswax here. Now, if you're formulating a vegan kind of massage balm, then that means you won't be able to use beeswax as your wax, something that will solidify the massage balm. These waxes are totally different from your regular emulsifier, that is the oil and water emulsifier that you use in making a lotion or cream. Now, another ingredient that you can add is fatty acid or fatty alcohol. I'm sure you are wondering, oh, why do you need that? This particular one helps in rinsing off of the massage balm. It helps with it because these waxes are the type of ingredients that they don't easily come off the skin, just like oil and butter that don't easily rinse off the skin when you add water. So when you add things like fatty acid or fatty alcohol, like stearic acid or cetyl alcohol or cetyl alcohol, it helps with the rinse off. And when you combine different waxes, it helps with it solidifying and also for it to easily melt on the skin. Although you can use just one type and you'll still be okay. Just try and adjust your formula accordingly by continuing creating different samples to know which consistency you will like best. Other ingredients that you can also include are essential oil or fragrance oil. Fragrance oil is just to give it the scent, but with essential oil, it gives it more benefits, and you can choose from different types like minty, if you want that minty kind of feel, like your eucalyptus. You can add peppermint, tea tree oil, or those kind of essential oil. They will be beneficial for the parts that you are massaging. So you read up on these essential oils before you use them. Another ingredient that you may want to include for a massage balm is menthol. Menthol gives that minty kind of feel on the skin, so that the person will know, okay, they apply something on their skin, not just oil. And it has like little benefits too. You can research more on that. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things today. You can use the formula on the screen to create yours today and send us a reply about the outcome. I can't wait to see your formulation. Remember, if you want us to create for you, make for you, create formula or any products, you can reach us on our website. Or if you're interested in knowing how to formulate different skincare or hair care products, then you can reach out to us. We have both physical and online class. And you can go to our website, jclabandacademy.com, to get any of our services. Also, if you want a shout out, then you can also reach us on any of our social media platform. It comes at a fee. And now you can see how you can quickly get one or two ingredients together to make a massage balm. At most 3 ingredients, you can make a massage balm. Let's just say your oil, your thickener, which is your wax, and then essential oil or menthol, and you're good to go. This type of product does not need preservative because it does not contain water. Till next time I come your way. Bye, fave.